Welcome back, gang. Today it's finally time. We are going to be renovating the coop. So yeah, there's a couple things I want to do real quick. I want to kind of paint it up, fix up these nested boxes on the side, get it ready for some chickens that are on the way, which that's going to be a cool video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I want to actually put a board on this wall. As you can see, it moves a lot and I kind of missed it during my framing. So I'm going to get a board measured out and cut on this to help push it out, and then obviously we have a whole bunch of cleaning and stuff we want to do in here. Yeah, let's get started on that. Alright, so we got that wall on. Don't mind the ducks, they're just yelling about stuff. Got this wall all straightened up a lot better along the top, a lot more sturdy. So now the other thing I want to work on is this catastrophe. It works, just not very good. I want to cut it down, make it a little more smoother to work, and then I bought some trim. I'm gonna trim it up, make it look better. So let's get started on that. Alright, so what we want to do is, it looks like it's hitting here on the bottom. So we want to take just a tiny bit off this bottom side. Oh yeah, that's a lot more better. Perfect. Actually, I am going to want to pull this off. We want to get some trim on this. Now we're going to get it cut. Alright, so I bring it in 1.5 inches. I'm making this up as I'm going. I'm not sure if it's how I done, but I know I have a couple of brothers that are screaming at me right now. So I want it in 1.5 inches because these are about 3 inches. Well, they're 3.5 inches, but I want it over the plywood a little. So I brought it in. That should give me my measurement. If I hold it in from there to here, 43 5/8 plus. Oh, we almost made an expensive mistake. Now, this should exactly go to those marks. Now the only thing I think I want to do though, right to the top, so that when this opens, you can still get in. And now these screws aren't poking all the way through, so they won't hurt the chickens on the inside. I double checked that. We have a mascot here helping us. What do you think? Yeah, it is pretty warm. Okay, go to sleep then. Alright, now we quickly get these ones measured. Well, it's not exactly perfect. There's a bit of a gap, but good thing it's just a chicken coop. Beautiful! And that adds some weight to it so it'll actually stay closed. Perfect. There's a few flaws in it, but it's definitely going to add character. Now, we got to do this one. Alright, and just like this, and that, and it's done. If only it was that easy. But, took a little bit of extra precaution with it, and this one turned out a whole lot better. But yeah, they're pretty sweet. They only open up that there, but that's fine. Most people aren't as tall as I am, so it'll be a little easier to get into it. So that part is complete. So now the next thing I want to work on is this. So this was a little scrap metal I had when I put this coop on, or when I built this coop from building my fence. But it all ends right here, as you can see, and all the water ran down here, and that's why all this wood just ain't doing so good. So what I actually did is I went and got some drip edge and a rain gutter. I'm gonna put a little rain gutter on this. Yeah, let's get that started. Alrighty gang, we're back. So I got this cut. And it actually, I figured out that they build plastic rain gutter. I didn't know that, so that's pretty cool. Now before we get started, I do want to admit that I am not a rain gutterologist. So those of you that are about to start yelling at me, I'm sorry. Believe it or not, this is the first time I've ever done it. So I'm making it up as I go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is there's these little hidden clips. We're gonna put them on, and then I believe the rain gutter just slides into it. Whenever you buy a house, don't buy it near an internet port. They're always photobombing me. Oh no! Now I do have some caulk I'm going to caulk up all these joints with so they don't leak. But hopefully this will help prevent all of the leaking. This is not my first time building. This is not my first time building something, I promise. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. I am going to put some other things on down here so I ain't just sending the water down, but I just wanted to get that started. Now, alright, so the next thing I have are these. I believe, so they're the end caps. Yeah, see how this works. There we go. Still gonna caulk it just to make sure, but yeah, those little gaskets just fit on there and it seals it up. It's pretty slinky. I'm basically a rain gutterologist. Got our end cap on, got that all sealed. Got my downspout. I am going to put some more 90s and stuff on so it's not just running down the Coop. But yeah, it's looking pretty swanky. Got all my clips on. Got this end cap on. We're basically looking professional. Now the only thing I need to do is get a little, I have a little drip edge that I'm going to put over it. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it's supposed to be done, but it's how I'm gonna do it, just to make sure it don't leak it. Alrighty gang, we're back, and as you can see, it's done. We also got the downspout. So now, it is time to start painting that and just do a bunch of touch-up paint. So I'm gonna get you guys set up and I'm gonna hurry and put on my painting boots. And we are back. So, as you can see, we've got it painted. She's just finishing up the last little bit of paint. But, yeah, check it out. Got my latches put on for the nester boxes. A little tight still, but got the rain gutter all done. I want to put a water barrel right there to catch the rainwater. But got that all buttoned up and good. It's looking a whole lot better with all the paint. So yeah, we just gotta touch up the last little bit on this run. Also went and weeded all the way around it, but overall, it's starting to look like it used to back when it got built. Pretty proud of it. So that's it for this video. I got a couple little things to do on the inside, but it's all boring stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much done. If you're new and haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. The upcoming video, I'm pretty excited for it. I can't wait. It has something to do with this. That's a little teaser. But yeah, if you're new and haven't, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, don't forget to smash a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.